This quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to do business day calculations using DAX. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the left and click on your data tab. I'm going to want to go into my date table, and in my date table I want to add in a new column. And this column will tell me if each date is a business day or if it's not a business day. So I'm going to label it is business day. I'm going to use an if statement, and we're going to say if the day number is equal to 1, so Sunday, or if the day number is equal to 7, we're going to label that row with an N for no, it's not a business day. And if it's neither Sunday or Saturday, we're going to label it Y for yes, it is a business day. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to minimize my date table and open up list of orders. And what I want to do is find how many business days did it take to fulfill each order. So I'm going to add new column, and we're going to label this business days till fulfillment. I'm going to set that equal to a calculate statement, and we're going to count the rows of the date table, and we're going to add a couple filters to that date table. So the first one we're going to add is we're going to find the dates between the order date and the order fulfillment date. I'm going to take one off of that order fulfilled date since dates between is inclusive. Shift enter to go down a line. And the next filter I want to add in is if the date is a business day or not. And if it is not a business day, I want to filter those dates out. So how I'm going to do that is we're going to use our is business day column, and I want that is business day is equal to Y, so yes. And then the last filter I want to add in here is to actually remove all the filters that we may add to each visualization on the date table. And the reason why I want to do this is so that no matter what, this calculation will remain constant. So no matter what filters you add in, it will always be constant and it will always be the same. So I'm going to close out the parentheses and hit enter. And there you have it. That's how you do business day calculations using DAX.